That's your big sister. You love your big sister. You always on her. I need some chopstick. No! Peace, family. Today is Sunday, December 3rd. We have 9 days until I turn 30. I'm here with Omni. She is napping. I just received my Costco Instacart order. So we're gonna do a little haul. Potato chips, our fig bars, the Nature Bakery one, my favorite Heavenly Chunks. This I'm trying out. This is new. Thinsters. This is new. Trying out tortillas. Flour tortilla. I got some palmiers. I don't usually get this, but it's been cold, and so I've been drinking hot coffee. So this is really good with some hot coffee. Got to get a new jar of kimchi because I went through the kimchi already since I've been doing a lot of kimchi udon noodle soup. Protein. We have 100% grass-fed beef. This is usually for the girls when we want to do something quick and easy for them, and then just serve it with rice. And then we have our turkey breast, pizza, and then like I mentioned before, we've just been doing ground turkey in a double pack like this, and it's organic, really yummy. And then we have our salmon. We get the organic lemonade, and then of course the whole case of Spindrift. I only got water because we will have family over this weekend. That pretty much wraps up our Costco haul. Oh, I didn't even mention this. The Olive Garden Italian dressing. I've been craving salads. I love Olive Garden salads. I don't usually do anything else but Caesar dressing, but I really like their dressing. So I just got this big pack because it was a deal. Blueberries, totally overlooked the blueberries. And then we got some organic grapes. I thought these were organic grapes, not seedless grapes. However, they're seedless grapes, which sucks because I try to stay away from those. We try to shop for wholesome food, and then we'll have like nice little treats, for instance, the pizza or the snacks. So we treat that like a treat. Good, Mama? Finished all of their food. So they get another cookie. And we're gonna be trying this cookie.
Wow.
All together. Okay, you guys ready? So these are called Tortina Minis. They are milk chocolate enrobed wafer with hazelnut cream. These are individually packed, so that's cool. That's nice. One for Kana, one for Farah, and one for Mommy. And Omniati can't have any yet, that's why she's having her blueberries. Ready to open it? Okay. You need help? Here, let Mommy help you first. This is how you open it. Look. You hold it like this. You just pull it apart. Don't eat it yet, Farah. We're all going to try it together. Together. You got it, Hannah? Come on, we're waiting on you. Ooh, these look like peanut butter cups.
Mommy!
Look.
Mommy! Hey, Mommy!
Yeah.
It's like Daddy.
Like Daddy's favorite candy?
Yeah.
Good job, Mama. They look like Reese's.
Daddy all candy.
Yeah, Daddy all candy. Ooh. Okay. So you can see the wafers on the top. Ready? You guys ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Mmm. Mmm. Definitely not what I expected. I like them,
Mommy.
but I don't love them.
Mommy. Mommy.
These are good. However, they are so reminiscent of the Ferrero Rocher candy that it's okay, baby. Just leave it. We'll pick it up later. That I kind of don't like them just because, you know, when you're craving a cookie, you want a cookie.
Mom.
But
Mommy.
here,
Mommy.
you get
Mommy.
a candy.
Mom.
Because I think they're considered cookies. Like, wait, want some more? Okay, we could do one more because I need to kind of like make up my mind whether I like. I would definitely be treating this like candy for the girls. So when they
1, 2, 3.
ready, cheers. You bit into it. Cheers. Cheers. It didn't get the yeah. Fana knows. See, she knows. When I really like something, you're gonna hear me. It's a like it, not a love it. If you want Ferrero Rocher in cookie form, and usually that's something that I would like, but I don't know. I didn't say go yet. Remember, you guys gonna have to stack this all on the same side. You hear, mommy?
Okay.
All right, you ready? Hannah, this is set and go. One at a time. You better put it in. You better hurry up. Look, you gotta make it pretty. You gotta make it pretty. You gotta make it pretty like Fafa. See? No, you're not. There's more. I'm gonna take the time to restock our fridge while they are occupying themselves over there. FYI, if you're wondering, we have the LG fridge, the one with the beverage center. So it has the beverage center right here, the water dispenser, and a little like snack pack pouch area right here. I just moved our shots down here and we still got a little bit of hummus. We have a whole ice system, which is so cool. I love this. We have regular size cubes, and then we have mini cubes like ice chips. Perfect for all of our drinks and especially coffee. Thank goodness that my husband chose this fridge because I fell in love with the ice. Ice makes a big difference when you are making your coffee, and I love my iced coffee. So you get the top layer, the bottom layer. It's the whole freezer department. You get your French doors, and here we go. A lot of storage, okay? And then you can also get counter depth for it to be flush with your counters. But this was an open box and it was a deal on Best Buy, so we just got this. You good, Mama? Why you look so cute though? Oh, poor baby.